Hey guys, Alex here with Momentum Charting. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Just do me a quick favor, jump down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. That way you do not miss any of my updates coming over the next couple of weeks on FCEL as well as broad markets. Thank you so much for doing that. Let's jump in here quickly to the chart of FCEL. Just pretty much of a needed update. It's been at least a few days since our last update on FCEL. What I'm seeing here right now is our absolutely 100% clear downtrend line in place here since the 30th of June. Prices keep reacting off this line, and they did offer some resistance up here in these areas. Even though we didn't have a touch, prices still did collapse from that area. So downward pressure overall still in place, but we do have support right here at 625 area, right between around 625 and 626, and we did start showing a sign of potentially a breakout in progress, but that did fail back to the downside. But there is definitely some hope right now in FCEL, because on the 1 hour chart we did have a shift of momentum to the upside. Now it was temporary, okay? We did have a break back to the upside of this downsloping resistance, but when you are operating down here in these levels below this zero line here of momentum, as I've stated previously, you do need to be very, very careful, very, very cautious on your entries. So if we can indeed, on this momentum right here, get a confirmed move, and I'm watching this very carefully here, holding these levels here at around -2, working back up here, and start getting momentum bubbles in a positive direction, that to me would signify an entry on the first 1 hour momentum bubble above this level here, an entry on FCEL, and hopefully on that point we would also have some sort of a formation of some structure in place here that would support a move like that back to the upside. So going to be watching very, very closely those two developments. One is a series of higher lows out of this bottoming formation on the 1 hour, as well as a breakout of this trend line on the 30-minute chart, and a support in place that would support a move to the upside in FCEL. So right now, most importantly, watch the support here at 625. We do need that to hold. We do need this to at least chop sideways before the 28th of July and break to the upside out of this downward sloping resistance. That would signify definitively a shift in momentum back to the upside, and if we were able to couple that with this trend line on the momentum breaking back to the upside, so we would have a fantastic bottom in place on FCEL to follow back to the upside, and hopefully prices to start working their way back up to these highs here. Let's see, around June 8th. That would be my initial target here on the longer term time frame, is prices to start heading back to the $12 area. So even though we are still a ways away from that, it's a good goal to be looking forward to something like that. And I do believe if we get that definitive shift in momentum back to the upside, that $12 price is certainly back in play, and you know, breaking this momentum line back to the upside. So we have some really nice developments in FCEL here to watch, some potential bottoming formations, so let's watch for that. Need to hold support at 625. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, doing updates on a daily, weekly basis, FCEL, all your favorite stocks, broad markets, some very, very exciting developments. in the works right now over the next couple weeks. You're not going to want to miss anything. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Hope to see you again very soon in the next video, and bye for now.